Okay, so I'm just going to show how to install the WT or Witty library using pretty much the default setup. So first off, you need to ensure that you have a functioning C++ compiler. In my case, I'm going to use Microsoft's Visual C++ 2008 Express Edition. So make sure you install that, make sure it's working first. Okay, so this one's mine. And then you need to download the Witty library itself. The boost library setup file. Now this one is actually from Boost Pro. So I got it from Boost Pro. So if you notice, it's a very small file. It's actually just a setup. It actually goes off to the internet and download everything once you finish the selection process. And then the CMake open source make utility. Okay, so first off is that you need to copy, or rather extract the archive, WT archive, into a folder somewhere. So I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so if I were to go in here, yes, there they are, they're fine. So I'll take that away. So next thing you do is to run the Boost Pro setup program. So here we go, run. Well, you have to agree to the various licensing agreement. Okay, I'm just going to keep this as default. And I choose my Visual C++ compiler, which is this one here. And I'll choose all the multi-threaded variants of the Boost library. Okay. Okay, just move on. So this is my destination folder. Okay. So notice it's going to download about 1 gig's worth of the library. From Boost Pro means it's pre-compiled. So it's already pre-compiled. There's no need for you to recompile the Boost library. So this will include all the pre-compiled version of the variants you chose earlier. Okay, so what it's going to do now is going to go off and connect to the internet and download the selection that you made. So that's going to take some time. Well, as you can see, it does take quite some time because it's quite a huge library. So in my case, the connection speed is not very fast, so it's just taking so long.